my mother's sister is there. My personal thing, but anyway, just learn only positive things. Don't think in negative. Learn the things. What she did is, she is okay. She's just she's taking cheats. I mean, she's paying cheats somewhere. Okay, cheat organizer is there. Okay, she's keep on sending the money, and one that cheat is going to be action is going to happen. She's getting some money. My auntie, she's going to get the money. It's a continue. Then that organizer, cheat organizer, required some money. She borrowed from somewhere, and then she helped her almost around 16 lakhs. She borrowed somewhere, and then she helped. What the problem is? She is getting the money at 1.5 rupee or 2 rupees interest, but this is cheat organizer is paying 3 rupees interest to my auntie. Then she is a bit selfish in that area. Okay, I'm getting benefit, not required to do anything, taking the money from here, and then like so this process continued for 1 year. At last, either cheat amount or provided loan amount total, it will become 16 lakhs. Then she asked that cheat organizer. Then she told her, my situation is very bad. Definitely I will give the money because I know you borrowed some from somewhere. Definitely I will give. But when I will give this is, my house is there. If I sell this house once, if I sold, then immediately I will get the money. In that money, first person to you only I will give the money. Like she told. She can't do anything because that lady not having the money. That lady having only one property, that is our house only. Okay, like then immediately she struggled like anything. My mother's own sister only. Because she borrowed, she's getting struggle like she's facing the problem like anything. Then what happened is she asked my mother and father, Akka, I'm not having own house. I'm in the rented house only. Okay, that lady has to give 16 lakhs money. If that lady is selling to someone else, then I may get or may not get. Why don't you buy that house so that we will pay after keeping that 16 lakhs? The remaining amount only we require to pay. My 16 lakhs will be safe. And so I'm not having the house. I will stay in that house and I will give the rent like my sister tried to convince, my mother's sister tried to convince my mother and my father. This was happened in the 2020. Then that day, that day, I went there for discussion, almost around some amount, 60 lakhs or 67 lakhs or 70 lakhs around, the deal was happened. And then just we gave token amount. Okay, like this was happened in October or September, October, like by December we are going to register like. Remember carefully. Then what happened is this lady having did the debts like anything. This lady, the house owner who is going to sell the house, she took the loans from everyone. Everyone she took the loans. Okay. Then some people are trying to buy that house. We don't know that. We are nowhere related to that area. That place is the Tenali. Then what we did is we don't know. We started deal and then we paid majority amount after reducing the 16 lakhs only. Even that 16 lakhs also, she asked only 10 lakhs. The remaining 6 lakhs I will pay later because I have to give for the remaining. I have to clear the remaining loans also like one fine day, we did registration complete. But before registration, she did something mistake. One lady who gave the loan to this owner, she went to the court. The court people came and yeah, the surety for the court for this loan, she signed. And after that, she did registration. Then the court case is going on. Already the same asset, she provided as the surety to the court. Then she sold the same house to us. Observe that. Next, not only that, almost around 10 cases, the remaining people also went to the court on that house. Everyone's demand is, this lady took the money. She is not having any other properties, only this property. By doing auction this property, can you please provide our money? Like everyone went to the court. Almost 10 members. Observe. Next, after selling the house, that wife and husband gayab. Because they had 2 crores around loans, but only 60 or 70 lakhs only they paid what about remaining. Then do you know, if we are going to that house, then how you can buy the house? Because she has to give the money for us. Like everyone came for fighting. Everyone came for the fighting. Then court cases are there, court cases are going on and so on. You know, observe very carefully. They won't come to the court because these remaining people, there are several people who didn't go for court. They may kill them if they are coming. They won't go to the court. Then the court start giving the judgment that the people who petitioned, okay, in their favor only, the court start giving the judgment. Because the problem is, these people should come to the court. They require to object. We are not required to give that much. We require to give this much only, right? But these people kayam. Observe the scenario. Then what happened is, we arranged one lawyer, and all these people, the people who went for the court, here this lady owner did a bigger mistake. Boss, remember this mistake. You should not do in your life. Suppose you gave 10 lakhs to me or 1 lakh to me. I have to write the promissory note and I have to give, and surety maybe check also I make you. What this lady did is, she didn't mention amount, she didn't mention date, just sign the promissory note and she gave. Sign the check she gave. Then automatically, do you know, only 1 lakh she required to pay, but those people added at 10 lakhs, they went to the court. Observe carefully. Only because she didn't add amount in the promissory note, she didn't add amount in the check, only sign. The required thing she did, all the remaining just her intention. After giving the money, we will bring back, right? Like, but the situation is very worst. Then what these people did is, even though promissory note and check both are related, both are linked, both are talks about same 1 lakh only, but they did a promissory note for 10 lakhs, check for 10 lakhs. This is the separate loan, this is the separate loan. Like they filed 2 cases. For 1 lakh, the petitioners so filed 2 cases for 20 lakhs. That opportunity she gave. So listen carefully about that. Okay, whenever you are writing promissory note, amount, date, sign, make sure. If you are giving any surety like check or promissory or any document or properties or something like, back side of that promissory note, you require to write, as a surety for this promissory note, I hand over check also, so and so check number. So that both are linked, both the things are going to talk about same loan only. Okay, remember, this is the small legal point you have to be aware. Okay, like that.